Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the DSJ Exchange app and whether it is safe or not. First, understand how to download DSJ Exchange. There is no official app available on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. People usually download it through APK files on Android, random websites, or Telegram and WhatsApp links, and this is already a big warning sign because legit trading apps are always available on official stores. Next, understand if DSJ Exchange is safe. The short answer is no, it is very high risk. First, it is flagged as a scam website, and some DSJ-related domains have been marked with very low trust scores, such as 1 out of 100. Next, it is not licensed anywhere, meaning there is no registration with trusted financial regulators and no legal protection for your money. Then, government alerts have been issued in multiple countries warning about DSJ-related platforms as they are linked to fraud and fake investment schemes. After that, it uses a fake investment system where it promises higher guaranteed profit, shows fake balances to gain trust, and encourages users to deposit more money. Finally, there are withdrawal problems where users can deposit easily but cannot withdraw money later, and sometimes they are even asked to pay extra fees before withdrawal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.